Do you want to make your videos look surreal, distorted, and straight out of a dream? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Trippy Nightmare Effect in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started! Step number 1 is start by opening CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to place it on the timeline. On the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. CapCut offers a wide range of built-in visual effects organized into different categories. Look for effects that create visual distortion. Or straightly, you can search for Trippy Nightmare Effect. Tap an effect to preview it on your video. You can also make it more and more realistic by clicking the Adjust button. You can adjust its speed, intensity, and even filter. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap the Cancel button and the check mark to finalize it. After applying the effect, an effect layer will appear on your timeline. Drag the edges of the layer to control how long the trippy effect appears. Make sure you play your video to see the final result before exporting. That's it! That's how you add Trippy Nightmare Effect in CapCut Mobile. Explore different effects using your CapCut. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and God bless you.